Hello, and welcome to the Great Garden channel. Why won't my Christmas cactus bloom? This is one of the questions I've been asked most frequently recently. Today I'll share the reasons that many people often overlook, along with a simple recipe made from ingredients commonly found in your kitchen to help your plant grow healthier and encourage it to produce more flower buds. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss more useful plant care tips. Let's get started. There are 7 common reasons why a Christmas cactus refuses to bloom. First reason, not getting enough complete darkness. Second reason, temperatures are too high. Third reason, applying too much chemical fertilizer. Fourth reason, overwatering. Fifth reason, not receiving enough daytime light. Sixth reason, the plant is not mature enough. Seventh reason, sudden changes in location or growing conditions. My Christmas cactus is experiencing 2 of these problems: insufficient darkness and improper fertilization. That's why in today's video, I'll show you how to solve these 2 issues while also teaching you how to make a natural fertilizer that helps the plant develop flower buds more quickly, produce more blooms, and keep the flowers beautiful throughout the blooming season. For the first problem, insufficient darkness. Previously, I kept the lights on in my room at night, which meant my Christmas cactus didn't receive enough uninterrupted darkness to initiate flower buds. This plant is very sensitive to light. If it's exposed to light at night, it will prioritize producing new leaves instead of flower buds. So, if you want your plant to bloom, turn off the lights and provide it with 12 to 14 hours of complete darkness every day. This will help stimulate bud formation and encourage blooming at the proper time. In addition, use an organic fertilizer to support bud formation and flowering. Many people apply too much chemical fertilizer, especially fertilizers high in nitrogen, causing the plant to produce only leaves while making it much more difficult for flower buds to develop. Instead, organic fertilizer helps the plant grow more evenly, encourages bud formation, and produces more abundant, longer-lasting flowers. Do you eat bananas? Bananas are delicious, nutritious, and very healthy. But after eating them, most people immediately throw the peels into the trash. Don't do that just yet. Few people realize that banana peels can be reused to make a natural fertilizer that helps Christmas cactus develop flower buds and bloom more successfully. First, chop the banana peel into small pieces as shown in the video. Cutting it into smaller pieces helps release the nutrients more quickly during soaking. Banana peels contain plenty of potassium, phosphorus, and natural minerals. These are important nutrients that help stimulate flower bud formation, support healthy bud development, and produce larger, longer-lasting flowers with more vibrant colors. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Place all of the chopped banana peels into a clean glass. If this video helped your plant, give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow plant lover. Next, use eggshells. Eggshells are a natural source of calcium that helps strengthen cell structure, supports healthy root development, improves the strength of stems and leaves, and creates favorable conditions for bud formation and flower development. Prepare a blender, add 3 to 5 cleaned and dried eggshells. Cover it and blend them into a fine powder. Grinding the eggshells into a fine powder allows the calcium to be released more quickly when preparing the solution, while helping the plant absorb the nutrients more efficiently. Divide the powdered eggshells into 2 portions. Add 1 portion to the banana mixture. Then pour 500 milliliters of hot water into the glass to soak the mixture. Stir thoroughly with a spoon so the nutrients dissolve more effectively into the water. After that, cover the glass and let the solution steep for about 2 hours. Use the remaining powdered eggshells to sprinkle a thin layer over the surface of your Christmas cactus pot. This eggshell layer will gradually decompose, supplying calcium to the growing medium, strengthening the root system, improving the structure of the growing medium, and supporting stable plant growth over the long term. After 2 hours, once the solution has cooled, strain out all of the solids, keeping only the clear liquid. This is the nutrient solution we'll use to support the plant. Next, add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution before use. Now, pour the banana peel and eggshell solution into a clean spray bottle. Which country are you watching this video from? It's amazing that we can connect with each other from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button to support the channel and never miss any houseplant care tips. Then gently mist the base, stems, and both sides of the Christmas cactus leaves. This solution supplies natural potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, helping strengthen the plant, supporting flower bud formation, and encouraging the buds to develop evenly. At the same time, these nutrients help produce thicker, greener leaves and stronger stems, while increasing the plant's ability to store nutrients in preparation for flowering. When used regularly together with proper lighting and an appropriate dark period, the plant will produce more buds, larger flowers, more vibrant colors, and longer-lasting blooms. Pour the remaining solution into a watering can, then gently water around the base of the Christmas cactus. Apply only enough to evenly moisten the growing medium, avoiding overwatering. The banana peel and eggshell solution supplies natural potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, helping strengthen the root system, stimulate flower bud formation, reduce bud drop, and encourage the plant to produce more beautiful, longer-lasting flowers. Pour any remaining solution into another clean spray bottle and store it in the refrigerator. With this storage method, the solution can be used for about 3 to 5 days while maintaining its quality, saving you the time and expense of preparing a fresh batch. Whenever you need it, simply take it out, shake it well, and spray the plant as usual. Refrigeration helps slow the natural breakdown of the solution, maintaining its stability and limiting the growth of unwanted microorganisms. If you'd like to store it longer, pour the solution into an ice cube tray and place it in the freezer. This method allows you to store the solution for about 9 to 10 days. Loving these plant care tips. Like this video and subscribe so you never miss our next guide. When needed, simply remove a few cubes. Allow them to thaw naturally at room temperature, then dilute them with a little clean water before watering or spraying your plants. It's a very convenient option for busy people who still want to care for their plants regularly. Freezing the solution into individual ice cubes makes it easier to control the amount used each time, helping prevent waste while ensuring an appropriate dosage for different types of plants. In addition, this method helps keep the components of the solution more stable during long-term storage, reducing changes in its composition over time and maintaining its effectiveness when needed. Results. After consistently following this method for about 2 months, you'll notice your Christmas cactus beginning to produce many new flower buds. The buds will develop evenly, remain healthy, and be less likely to drop. When blooming season arrives, the plant will produce many vibrant flowers with bright colors, thick petals, and longer-lasting blooms. Not only that, the plant itself will become healthier, with stronger stems, lush green leaves, and abundant vitality, preparing it well for future blooming cycles. In the next part, I'll share additional tips to help the flowers bloom even more abundantly, retain their color longer, and extend the blooming period. If you're interested, leave a comment below so I'll know to prioritize making the next video as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more helpful plant care tips.